our 18-pan sandwich prep table. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 72.5 inches, a depth of 30 inches, an overall height with casters we have 43.5 inches. Minus the top cover, we have 36 inches tall with casters. Located on the left side are 10 pans, and on the right, 8 pans. So a total of 18 pans will be included. Each pan will measure 7 inches in length, 6.5 inches in depth, by 4 inches tall. With the interior measurements, we have 5.5 inches in length, by 6 inches in depth. Also with a height of 4 inches. Measurements apply for each of the 18 pans included with this prep table. Cutting board depth, we have 12.25 inches with a length of 72.5 inches. Left, center, and right swing doors, and included are 3 adjustable shelves. Shelf located for each compartment, with each shelf measuring 21.5 inches in length by 19.5 inches in depth. Please note that the left and right compartment are angled shelves, so the depth applies for the lowest point of the shelf. With the highest point, we have a depth of 22.5 inches. With 3 of the shelves connected in one continuous row, we have a length of 67.5 inches in length. With the interior dimensions, we have 69 inches in length, 13 inches in depth. 13 inches applies for the step located on the back of the refrigerator towards the front, and a height of 26 inches tall. Located on the right column is the ETL NSF certification and specifications for this sandwich prep table. Please note that the stainless steel is protected by this film and can be peeled off. Covering the pans are the right and left swing door covers. Located on the back is the 110-120 voltage plug, along with the Dixel analog temperature control. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.